Are you a purchasing agent in the equipment manufacturing industry? Today's industrial equipment market is more competitive than ever, so producing high-quality, innovative solutions for the best price is critical. As a purchasing agent, your challenge is to build a better supply chain than your competitor, a supply chain of world-class suppliers with proven performance and massive flexibility to meet your demand. There's no doubt that having a world-class supply chain gives you a competitive edge. The question is, how do you build a better supply chain? Let's look at how platforms like Uber, Amazon, and Airbnb have revolutionized supply chains. We get instant access to exactly what we need, when we need it, and for the best price. We have instant access to hundreds of thousands of suppliers, drivers, and property rentals. These platforms have vetted all their suppliers and use ratings to ensure we get the best products and services. We have instant visibility into these services with a click of a button, and the experience is fast and nearly flawless. Now, how does that compare to the average shopping experience for an industrial buyer? Finding a new supplier might consist of a quick online search for someone with a decent website. Maybe you know a guy who knows a guy. No reviews, no quality audit, and no real understanding of their capabilities and quality systems. Many buyers just go to the shops down the road and never look for the best suppliers. Most have little, if any, visibility into the capability of their suppliers. Having the wrong suppliers can lead to problems with quality and on-time delivery. You may find yourself constantly updating your boss on supplier issues. You may struggle to meet the demands of your markets and maintain your competitive edge. There is a better way. Let us go to work for you. You'll get instant access to our robust manufacturing platform and significantly increase your capabilities with our large network of manufacturers. You will dramatically increase your ability to scale. We can disperse your production over multiple suppliers and avoid bottlenecks, and you will have total visibility into supply chain capacity. Rest easy that your parts are in good hands. Each one of our suppliers has gone through rigorous quality audits and performance evaluations. Our shops will compete to ensure you get the best possible price. Once in production, your parts will be manufactured using the latest and most cost-effective processes. You can be confident that your parts meet your specifications with inspection reports and certifications. You will get reports and updates on your orders once they are approved and shipped. With our on-time delivery, you can sleep better at night knowing that your parts will be in stock precisely when you need them. Get a quote today and start building the ultimate supply chain.